Apple's eye-dropping event, the spotlight wasn't just on shiny phones. Hidden among the iPhone 17 reveals, Apple Watch Series 11 took the charge for health-conscious users with watchOS 26 upgrade. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your favorite place for all the tech updates. The watchOS 26 is here with the all-new Sleep Score, Apple's smarter way of analyzing your rest. While initially believed to be exclusive to the newest watches, Apple has confirmed it's rolling out to a much wider range of devices, including Apple Watch Series 6 and up, SE 2nd Gen, and all Ultra models, as long as you're paired with an iPhone 11 or later running iOS 26. Sleep Score isn't just about tracking how long you slept. It evaluates your sleep duration, consistency, wake-ups, and time spent in deep REM and core sleep. It compares your current sleep to your personal averages, highlighting areas where you can improve. And it's no gimmick because Apple trained this feature using data from 5 million nights of sleep. In collaboration with top organizations like the American Academy of Sleep Medicine and the World Sleep Society. But Apple didn't stop there. watchOS 26 also introduced a hypertension monitoring tool that uses the optical heart rate sensor to help detect high blood pressure over time. With 30-day history, trend analysis, and global availability in 150 plus regions, the pending FDA approval, this is a big step towards turning your watch into a personal health advisor. And with live translations, a new wrist flick gesture, and expanded compatibility, Apple Watch just became smarter and more life-aware than ever. Did you find these health features fascinating? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.